Welcome to our comparison of the GIGABYTE B650 Eagle AX and the MSI B760 Gaming Plus motherboards. Today, we will delve into their features, specifications, and how they stack up against each other in key areas such as performance, connectivity, and price. Whether you're a gamer or a PC builder, understanding these differences will help you make an informed decision. The GIGABYTE B650 Eagle AX is designed to support the latest AMD Ryzen 7000 series processors, offering PCIe 5.0 for future-proofing your graphics card investments. In contrast, the MSI B760 Gaming Plus Wi-Fi caters to Intel's 12th, 13th, and 14th gen processors, providing a solid performance for gaming and general use. Both motherboards support DDR5 memory, enhancing overall system speed and efficiency. Both motherboards feature Wi-Fi 6E, ensuring fast wireless connectivity. However, the MSI B760 Gaming Plus Wi-Fi takes the lead with its 2.5 gigabits per second LAN, providing superior wired networking capabilities compared to the Realtek Gigabit Ethernet found in the GIGABYTE B650 Eagle AX. This difference can be crucial for gamers seeking low latency and high-speed internet access. When it comes to pricing, the GIGABYTE B650 Eagle AX is priced at $179, while the MSI B760 Gaming Plus Wi-Fi is slightly more affordable at $169. This price difference, although minimal, may influence your decision depending on your budget and the features you prioritize in a motherboard. In conclusion, both the GIGABYTE B650 Eagle AX and MSI B760 Gaming Plus Wi-Fi motherboards offer impressive features tailored for gamers and PC builders. Your choice will ultimately depend on your preferred processor platform and specific needs. If you found this comparison helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more tech insights.